how to download Threads app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download the Threads app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Threads is basically a new Instagram additional plugins that is actually available for your Instagram app, and in order to download this you can directly come to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Threads, and you'll find this Threads option which says an Instagram app. This is the official application. Now in case you don't find it, then what you can also do is you can simply open the Instagram application here, come to the profile page, tap the three lines option from here, and then just go to this option known as Threads. As you can find it, when you tap on Threads option, automatically it is going to redirect you to this page, and where you can just tap the Get Threads option over here. Once you tap on the Get Threads option, it will redirect you to your Play Store, where you just need to tap the install button if you haven't already installed it. Depending upon the strength of your internet connection, your Threads app will be successfully downloaded to your phone. This way you can download the Threads app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.